I am Rajesh Nazre. Today I will let you know what the civil court dispute you can take to the civil court for the society matters. But in the meantime, I will just tell you what is the trend is going on. JMFC court, which is a criminal court, and the members are to harass the committee, to harass the society. They are filing a criminal case. Now, as per the Maharashtra Society Act, there is clearly written JMFC criminal court cannot take the cognizance of the society matter unless and until approval from the registrar. But now the things has changed. Now the people are going to the criminal court and filing a complaint. What their modus operandi is, if they want something free to be repaired of their house and they don't want to pay the maintenance, then they do criminal cases on the committee members. So how they do it? I told you, as per the law, you cannot go unless the registrar gives the permission, approval to file a case in the criminal court. But some members, they catch the lawyer who is having an influence over the court and police, and they try to blackmail the society for having the free repairs. They don't want to pay the maintenance, they want the waiver of it, and this type of the things. So how they do it? They catch the lawyer who is having the influence in the court, in the police, and then they file the application with the criminal court, with the JMFC, and then they give some documents and they try to get NCs on the committee members by bribing the police officers. And once they get NC and the notice of 149, they attach to the applications where they are applying for the case with the JMFC. JMFC, that is a judicial magistrate first class. Actually, they should not entertain, but what the lawyer, they are misleading the court, and they are saying that this matter falls under the criminal court. But as per the act, they cannot take, and I have gone through this experience and I have seen. But the court also, when the JMFC, we brought to their notice that saying that it doesn't have your jurisdiction for the society matters. But what happens when the person file a case of 420 and they number of charges there, and they are doing the case that is a private case, not by through police. So what they do is they hire the 25,000 of paying to the lawyer, and they want the free of maintenance, repairs, free of lakhs of rupees. So they have this modus operandi. But then the lawyer, what they do is they catch the police and they say just raise a NC on the one or two committee members, and notice also, send a notice of 149. And what they do is they put all the notices and the NCs with the applications where they file with the JMFC court. The things that there is something serious matter, and they accept. But when we brought to the magistrate that this doesn't have the jurisdiction, but still he insists that now you mutually go and do some mutual understanding. It is not a mutual understanding. This is just some blackmail. Unless we don't agree to their demands of that member for free repairs, so they are not going to take back the case. So what they do is, JMFC magistrate also, what they do is, they are saying, "Arey, it is a very minor case, you please settle yourself." They knew that it is not in their jurisdiction, but they never reject the application. What they start is, till we don't give our consent for mutual understanding, if not, then they start the proceeding. And once the proceeding starts, the committee member, every month, one day, they have to go for the hearing. And I have experienced that more than 1.5 years now we are going every month to the court, and the court knows that they doesn't have the jurisdiction, but they still go on proceeding, saying that then the person, what they do is, because when the summon comes through the JFMC court, then we have to take the bail. We should appoint the lawyer, advocate, and through advocate we get the bail. So what they are playing is, once the judge, once the magistrate admits the case, then the play is started. How they play is started, once they admit, then they are giving the number of application for every date, and they try to prolong it. And when our advocate gives a discharge application, they put their cancellation of the bail without any substance, and they say that please cancel their bail. Then the JMFC court say, but I am very fortunate that my case was transferred to the another JFMC court, where the magistrate, within a 2 hearing, he has heard the cancellation of bail and he has rejected. But when he rejected the cancellation of bail, then the lawyer and the member, they again appeal to the session court. They know it is false, but they know the procedure takes very long, and the committee member will be tired and they will agree to the demands. So this is just blackmailing. But once the session court start, then again you have to go for the proceeding. If the proceeding is started, then every month you have to go to the session court. See, nothing will happen, because we are not doing anything wrong in the committee members, because all the society members are with us, committee is with us, everybody is with us. But one person, he wants a free and he does this type of things. Actually, JMFC should not interfere, but who will stop them? That is the main thing. I try to contact the principal judges to say that this is a wrong going on, the jurisdiction is not there. Then also you are admitting, and once they have admitted cases, then there is round and round, then we have to go, because there will be a summon, then there will be a bail, then there will be a discharge application, then they will file the cancellation of bail, then it will be rejected, then they will go to the session court. Like this they do the harassment. Actually the government has to look after this JFFC, because see, number of lakhs of criminal cases are pending, but still the JMFC is very keen to solve the problems of the society. Actually there is an act, there is a registrar, there is a cooperative court, but I don't know why this magistrate are so keen to have the society issues. However, now I will tell you the civil court dispute, which are the matters has to be forward to the civil court if you want to file a case. That is a non-compliance of the terms and conditions of the agreement by and between the builders and developers. If anything, the terms and condition means जो भी टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन जो होते हैं एग्रीमेंट के, जैसा उसने कुछ बताया था कि हमें भाई इधर खिड़की होना चाहिए, ये लॉक होना चाहिए, बाथरूम फिटिंग्स होनी चाहिए और जो ब्रांडेड होनी चाहिए. इफ़ एनीथिंग इज मिसिंग, उस एग्रीमेंट से कुछ भी मिसिंग है तो आप सिविल कोर्ट में जाके अगेंस्ट द बिल्डर यू कैन फाइल अ केस. और सब स्टैंडर्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन, अगर कंस्ट्रक्शन ठीक नहीं है, लीकेज है, तो देन ऑल्सो आप सिविल कोर्ट में जा सकते हैं. कन्वेंस डीड इन फेवर ऑफ सोसाइटी, अगर कोई बिल्डर कन्वेंस डीड नहीं करता है तो भी आप सिविल कोर्ट में जा सकते हैं. आपको पता ही है कन्वेंस डीड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब तक कन्वेंस डीड नहीं होगा ज़मीन के मालक सोसाइटी नहीं होती है. दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड दिस कन्वेंस डीड एंड एस्केलेशन ऑफ द कंस्ट्रक्शन कॉस्ट. सपोज अगर बिल्डर ने कहा कि मैं 10 लाख में आपको आपका फ्लैट बना के देता हूँ एंड बाद में उसने किया कि भाई 10 लाख में तो नहीं होगा, यू हैव टू पे मोर 2 lakhs. तो जैसे ही ऐसा एस्केलेशन होता है जो बढ़ाता है पैसा, देन ऑल्सो यू कैन अप्रोच सिविल कोर्ट एंड यू कैन फाइल अ केस. और फिफ्थ इज एनी अदर लाइक डिस्प्यूट्स विच फॉल विद इन द जुडिकेशन ऑफ द सिविल कोर्ट. तो just if you find it is good and it will help you, please subscribe my channel if you like.